Stop guessing. Today I'm sharing a secret trick to knowing exactly when to use do versus make every single time. Let's get started. Do is used when you talk about an input action or an activity, and make is used whenever you talk about an output or a product. So here we have a question, blank homework. Homework is a keyword here, and homework is an activity, right? You need to put up some action, you need to input an action or do some work in order to complete your homework. So we write do homework, not make homework. Next, blank a mistake. What's a mistake? Mistake is an output. It's an outcome of your wrongdoings, outcomes of the errors or follies that have been created in the past that has been labeled as a mistake. So we write make. Make a mistake as mistake is an output. Next, blank a playhouse. What's a playhouse? Playhouse is a product. Product of your work that you have been doing in order to create a playhouse, in order to make a playhouse. So as playhouse is a product, as per rules, we write make a playhouse. Next, blank the cleaning. Cleaning is clearly an activity. It's a physical activity where you input some physical work in order to complete this activity. So we write do the cleaning. Next, blank money. What's money? Money is clearly an outcome of your hard work. It's an output of the work that you are being done in order to earn it. Right? It's a product of your hard work. So we write make money, not do money, make money. Next, blank the shopping. What's shopping? Shopping is an activity. It's an activity of purchasing something. It's an action of purchasing something. So as per rules, we write do the shopping. Fine? Yes, next. Blank a call. What's a call? Call is clearly an output. An output where you have decided to talk to someone. So we write make a call. Next, blank a statement. Blank a statement. Statement is clearly an output where you have decided to come up as a product. So we write make a statement. Next, blank research. Research here is clearly an action. It's clearly an activity where you need to work on it in order to collect some data or input the data. It's an activity. So as per rules, we write do research, not make research, do research. Next, blank the dishes. Dishes is an activity here. This is an activity of cleaning. So whenever we are talking about activity, so we write do the dishes, means cleaning the dishes. Next, blank a confession. What's a confession? Confession is clearly a result. It's an outcome. It's an output of something or someone where you have decided to conclude something, to come up with something. It's an output. It's a product. So we write make a confession. Next, blank an observation. Observation here is clearly an output where you have decided to observe something. It's a result. So we write make an observation. Next, blank some studying. Studying is clearly an activity here where you have decided to input the action of learning something. So we write do some studying. Next, blank a test. A test is clearly an activity here where you need to work on something, right, in order to come up with some conclusion. So we write do a test. Last, blank a complaint. What's a complaint? Complaint is an output or it's an activity. Think wisely and let me know whether it is do a complaint or make a complaint. Let me know the answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel in case if you have found this video interesting.